Hello guys, my name is Praved and welcome to our channel. So in this video, we can gonna to create a one business listing on that website. So the website name is enrollbusinesses.com, and this is a website dashboard. And whatever, if you guys are want to create a business listing for any specific country, suppose that for US, Canada, UK, any another country. So simply you guys have to see this website URL, and there you guys can see after https double slash there is a cctld code dot in. Okay, so simply you guys have to change this cctld. So suppose that if you're from a USA or Canada, now simply you guys have to change your country tld. So simply I'm changing .us, and then you guys can see this website going to change into a US, a business listing. So if you want to list whatever your business is from your country, so you guys have to change only cctld, and then you guys are able to list your businesses on that website. So I'm from India right now, so I'm just only to create a list of businesses for Indian now, just for the that could be make convenient for me. Okay, so this is a website dashboard, so you guys are able to see, and also we can explore the another things. So you guys can see according to Acharya, the domain rating is 74, and according to SimilarWeb, this website having 10.5k Indian traffic. This is a monthly visitors, and you guys can see mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, UK, and Germany. So if you want to crawlability, audience, and that kind of country, that kind of traffic from country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website, list your businesses on that website. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 51 and the spam score is 5%. So this is a website dashboard you guys are able to see. Before they started, I wanted to request you with a simple thing, just little thing. If you guys are new on this channel, and if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's humble request you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so this is a website dashboard, and you guys can see there is a create business profile button. You guys have to click over there simply, and you guys can see there is a two option. You guys can go with a new user if you guys are haven't created your profile before that. So there is you guys can add your email ID. There you guys can choose your password, and after that you guys can click for the submit button. And this website can send you a activation email, so you guys can check your email ID, then you guys can activate her profile. We got it, and there is a activate user. Then after that you guys can go with a create business profile button, and there you guys can add your state. So I'm from Delhi, and simply I can add my address. Actually I'm living near around Sarita Vihar. So if any person are nearest to me, and if anyone can want to connect with me, so you guys can call me. Okay, so Sarita Vihar and South Delhi, and after that I can choose my city, so New Delhi, and the pin code is 110044. And after that you guys can click for the next button, and you guys can see there is a phone button, so you guys can simply see these things. So there I can go to add my mobile number. So okay, 9267901486. Okay, and after that you guys can click for the next button, and you guys can see there is a business name, so you guys can add your business name. So I'm just considering my YouTube channel URL. So simply I can just open my YouTube channel as well as digital marketing lab, and owner name Pravyado, and the website is, so there I can add my YouTube channel URL, and the industry group, so actually we are marketing. And after that you guys can click for the next button, and there you guys can add about your businesses. and you guys will see, and after that you guys can acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then you guys can click for the finish button, and you guys will see that your profile has been created successfully, and this is your profile landing page URL. And if you want to change your banner image, so you guys will do from there now. Let me check, is this backend banner image or the okay, updated. And after that you guys will see there is a multiple options, so you guys can see product and services. If you want to add a product and services, you guys will also able to do. So you guys can optimize your all the things. If you want to sell tablets, you can create your online store. Then you guys can choose your product and category, and after that digital global industry and the computer icons, whatever you want. Then you guys can able to create your product and the services. And you guys will see there is another option. You guys are able to publish your images, no, videos, reviews. So okay guys, so this is the things on that website. So you guys have to follow the process, and you guys can create your business listing profile on that website. So the website name is enrollbusinesses.com. And if you from another country, or if you want to create business for another country, suppose that US, Canada, and anywhere. So simply you guys can change your CCTLD there now. There is my CCTLD is .in. It's indicating for India, US for indicating US for indicating US, and Canada for indicating a CA. So simply you guys can change your CCTLD. You guys can simply go with your Google search box. There you guys can type. Suppose that if you from UA, UA, UACCTLD. Simply you guys can type. Then you guys are able to see dot UAE is CCTLD. AE dot AE is a UACCTLD. So simply you guys can from there now you guys can see AE. Then you guys can see this is going to convert into UAE CCTLD. You guys are able to see this is a flag of a UAE. Okay, so this is the process of the business listing on that website. So the website name is enrollbusinesses.com, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. Okay, so if you guys are watching till and so thanks for watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can do something from your side. And also I'm attaching my UPI ID, and if you from India or anywhere, and if anyone can want to help me something, so you guys have to know whatever the things you guys can get to support me. Okay yaar, so bye bye and take care.